Introducing Digit Revision SwiftKit, the all-in-one procedure kit for fingertip revision amputations. SwiftKit gives you everything you need for revision amputations in any care setting, except lidocaine, gloves, irrigation solution, and suture. We include a specially designed sterile single-use freer elevator, Quick Lift, and rongeur, Quick Rev, which you can recycle through our recycling program. Quick Lift has both a flat and curved tip for easy nail elevation and tissue freeing. Quick Rev has been designed specifically for fingertip revision amputations and is guaranteed to be sharp every time. With SwiftKit, you eliminate the need for hand trays, eliminate SPD bottlenecks, have all the equipment you need when you need it, and can deliver faster patient care, saving you time that you can use to drive improved patient throughput. Learn more about SwiftKit, our other procedure kits, and educational resources at arbutusmedical.com.